Welcome to the Cooler Reports. Let me introduce our the newest products, CW196. Let's take a look at the overall sizes. The overall length will be 31.5 inches wide and 22 inches in the depth and 34 and 1.4 inches high. Let's take a look at the back. Okay, the units you can see here, we're having the controller right here, switchers, and the US 110 standard plug right here. They have the two exhaust fan at the bottom for the compressor running and have covers on top of it. Also have the sticker on the side with the EPL sanitation approvals. Let's take a measurement for the inner side. It's 17 inches in the depth and 29 inches in the length and 26 inches in the height. Thank you for watching these videos. If you have more questions, just contact with us. Thanks.